Okay, let's get this started. We have anything here on this one. Okay, so coming into the day, we respected this daily bearish gap. Had an external high time frame S&T inside of that, and are now heavily displacing lower, just respecting all of these bullish confluences. So super bearish. We in the 1 hour, just straight candles to the downside. Really no high time frame bullish structure at all. We just took our previous day low, or it's actually Monday's low. Doesn't matter. We are gonna open up a 1 hour gap here at 10 a.m. But before that, we already have a 30-minute right here, and then a 15-minute also, which means that right now, as we took out previous day low, I would like to see market open up higher, like I had just marked out, and look for some shorts lower, or we could overextend to the downside, maybe catch a rebalance long, and yeah, besides from these targets here, I really don't see anything else here that you could take or target. Even this 5-minute here is kind of a stretch. So we have this 15-minute here now as well. And let's see if there's gonna be anything to catch today. All right, took out this sell side level here. We have the 15-minute right here. We have any 5-minute, we have 5-minute right there. Das looks like we're already gleich. Also dann halt jetzt dann nicht, fast nicht. We're also already seeing this heavy displacement up. And if we do get this inverse,
Order filled.
I'm in right there. Off this heavy inverse. I'm just gonna target the 30-minute right here. Gonna go break even once we hit the 5-minute. Yes, it also hit its I'm just gonna put the stop there, which says 670 there. Should see some heavy displacement higher now. Yes, hit the 15 minutes. This is kind of an AMD setup. I want to see us close up there aggressively. TP here. All right, I'm gonna go break even. Hold on, does this actually make sense? Gonna wait for the 1-minute close. Yes, displacing higher. Looking very good. I'm gonna go break even right here, because now we kind of retested that. We hit the 5-minute gap. We wicked lower. And now I really want to see some follow through to the upside.
Stop filled.
I'm stopped out of break even there. ES still ripping higher. ES now hit the 30 minutes, so we have a bearish SMT there. This could still play out, but yeah, I don't know. Was the break even correct? I guess the 5-minute was defending low resistance, attacking high resistance, so maybe the break even was premature and not correct. I would re-enter here, however, with ES already having hit all of these gaps here, and having this SMT, I don't think I should. Because ES doesn't have too much to target higher. Delivery here was just very unfortunate. Yeah, this is very unfortunate. Damn, this was such a clean AMD. Yeah, I guess I should have waited for a retrace and then a close up to kind of make an order block before going break even. At this shot now I could go break even and it would make much more sense. Because now we have this clean 5-minute rejection block here. And this is very likely gonna play out now. Wow, this is very unfortunate. This would have been such a good trade, bro. And there we go, that would have been TP. Oh man, this sucks. Well, it is what it is. VM versus 15-minute, yeah. I mean, it looks pretty obvious now, right? It's just a bit frustrating that I went break even there on such an A+ setup, really. Ah, man. Well, I'm not too sure what to do at this point. I guess the only because we had the manipulation down. We now had the low time frame A and D. Now we're sort of in the middle of rebalancing this range. And I guess I could be looking for some continuation longs here, maybe. Or if we just continue going higher, I could look for some rebalancing shorts. Either way, this low is high resistance now. It's also had a high time frame SMT, so this was such a good long, man. Oh no, sorry. This low here with this. Hold on. 29, 17th now. We did have an external SMT with. I don't even know when. June 29th. Oh, we have SMT here as well. And now we're just running higher. This low here was also a 1 hour rejection block there, 4 hour rejection block there. So yeah, I mean, this was such obvious high resistance, but I went break even. Maybe out of fear, I don't know. Because in no world should these low time frame gaps so deep in discount really make us go lower, especially after such a clean manipulation with a high time frame, high resistance low, the external SMT, low resistance above, unfilled gaps. Do we have anything higher? I think just this 1 hour, right? So at this point, I'm not really looking into shorts because we have this high time from S&T at the lowest here that should deliver us quite a bit higher, probably to the 1 hour gap. I don't really see a case for many shorts here. Not enough structure to take any make shorts to 5 minutes. We have 9:45 open here. So what am I looking at right now? I want to see 9:45 either manipulate lower into the 5 minute and then look for some continuations long, or kind of just stick around here, build some low resistance on the downside, get a resweep here, and then look for a max short, maybe back to the 5 minute. All right, we already tapped this 5 minute here. So what do I need to see now? I now need to see us build some more low resistance liquidity, resweep this internal low, get an internal stop hunt, and then get some longs like this, proving that we're gonna disrespect the 30 minute and the 5 minute is gonna be stronger than the 30 minute. Am I gonna be interested in any shorts if we inverse this gap? Not really. I think there's low is looking pretty high resistance. But high time frame is also bearish, so this is something I might take on paper. We're delivering out of these 30-minute gaps. High time frame is overall bearish. We kind of rebalanced this leg. When we tap to the 30-minute, there is no SMT there, but we're now also respecting this 15-minute gap. Downsides of this trade, there is no PO3 involved. 930 open lower, manipulated high or distributed higher. 945 didn't have any manipulation higher. We hit 930 opening price now, which is also a 15-minute rejection block, but from the rejection we got from here, which is measured from here, almost EQ, then we should probably move through that and continue is daily move lower. Just looking on the 1 hour, we just printed this wick higher and now see us move lower. However, we also hit this 5-minute gap here. So it actually looks like we're delivering higher now. Yeah, this inversion. And it seems I missed it. Okay, yeah, this is very this is very unfortunate. Yeah, I mean, I was sitting on the wrong time frame. (9:30). 15-minute rejection block as well. That's tough to miss. That's tough to miss for sure. 30-second here. I don't know if I would have gotten in on this candle, but this one for sure. It's also now turned into a 5-minute rejection block here. Would I be break even here if I had taken this? I don't know actually. I would have the opportunity to enter this now, but I don't think I will. Because we could just flush through this and I wouldn't get an opportunity to go break even. There's also for continuation short, no 5-minute condition. We had this 3-minute condition. And it looks like we're now actually delivering out of this. I'm actually not too sure in either direction right now. Because this long looked good, but it failed. Now this short kind of looks good as the continuation after reacting to the 15-minute rejection block. Oh, we also have an internal SMT here now. And we are inside the 5-minute, which means that if this SMT holds and we actually get a reaction up here and maybe an inverse to the upside, then we could also still be looking at longs. But nope. Yeah, never mind the longs. So like I said, I'm not really sure in either direction, so I'm just gonna wait here and see what price gives us. Maybe we can build some low resistance liquidity here, have 10 a.m. open low, and then get some longs. We inversed this 5-minute gap here. We also closed below 930. We still have this 15-minute rejection block as our key level. We're also not generating this low resistance liquidity here, so we could get a resweep or a manipulation into maybe CE or OTE of the 15-minute rejection block, have a 10 a.m. open low, and then take out these internal highs. That would be good. Do I see shorts? Not really, not to enter. I will hold this paper trade because we now tap into this 5-minute order block, I guess. And we also had closed the 5-minute inversion. So I think for longs, I would actually like to see this low get taken. Yeah, if I'm gonna take any longs, I want to see this low get taken out. even if we have an SMT here, now that 10 a.m. opened low or opened here, I would need to see an open low to take any longs. Yeah, so if you can put in this internal high and then make this sort of low resistance liquidity and then get some longs from there, I would be taking longs from here. Other than that, I'm not seeing too much right now. Okay. Have this 5-minute order block, rejecting out of just the 30-minute. Tap this 3-minute rejection block. Boom, it's inside a gap. Stop at OTE, entry about 0.5, and there we go. Didn't take this. This was just a read. But kind of funny how that works, right? Now we have 10 a.m. open low, hopefully. Take out the low. Favorite trade is looking good. So when I saw this 50-minute close here below the opening price, this makes me very certain that we're gonna take out this low here, even though we have the extra S&P there. But also this accumulation now that we are seeing here. To take any longs, I would have to see any manipulation lower, some generation of low resistance liquidity, and then take longs. Maybe we can get an internal S&P there. If ES decides to take out that low. We put in another swinger, failure swing here. So this would be just adding to the liquidity pool. I'm not gonna take any inversion there because the displacement lower is just too strong compared to any of these candles that would inverse it. We also don't have any real key level here. I would want to see the sweep here. This is another nice failure swing though. It's probably also just gonna deliver us lower here. Oh, there we go. Fifteen seconds. Boom, snap down. Ten 15 also gonna be opening up in 30 seconds. We're adding to the liquidity pool here. And if 10-15 is gonna open up lower, take out the low, then this is just gonna stack up pure threes even more. We now have some low resistance here in the downside, so I'm kind of expecting to see us flush this low resistance, take this low, maybe get an external S&T there, and then get some longs up here. Which would also give us a stack PO3 of 10 AM, 10:15, and maybe even 10:30, depending on how long this is gonna take until we take the low. That's a strong candle. Where's that coming from? So if we could leave this high here, that would be cool. Oh. This high should be high resistance for now until we deliver lower, because it took out this low inside this gap. Now we're just taking out all of these stake lows here, like that. $10.30 gonna open up here in 3 minutes. 10:30 gonna open up in a minute. Okay, honestly, I think this is kind of enough low resistant liquidity. We might as well just manipulate now and then get the setup. I don't think we need much more than that to take longs. Come on, bro, just deliver. Just ooh, please, please. Please. Oh, this 5 minute short is kind of looking ridiculous. What the fuck? Nice. Yes, yes, please. Boom, TP hit on this short. Nice, nice, nice. There we go. Okay, we hit it now. The 5 minute shorts with TP for a 1.1 R. ES about to take the low as well. We have an SMT here now. Ideally, I would like to see us get an internal SMT as well. Some more structure. And ES take out the low as well for some true manipulation. Yes. Come on, ES. You know you can do it. We have an internal SMT here now, but I really do want to see ES take out the low as well. So I'm not gonna take this just yet. The next candle is gonna print higher and ES starts displacing higher as well, showing us that we don't want to take the low on ES. Then I would be fine to take this, but right now ES could still want to take out the internal low as well. Okay. Now we're printing higher. And this I am gonna take. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Order filled.
All right, I'm in here. 28, 25. There, gonna have my stop, but this is placement kind of low. And I'm targeting this high there. The 1 minute closed very strong as well. This entire displacement leg should really hold. We have the interim SMT there as well. I think targeting this high is probably the best. This is a intermediate high, which means it would be higher resistance as this high. And for 1.8 hours, this should be plenty. We no need to go for 2.5 hours. Wow, the RR here could have been actually insane. Imagine 8R. Just be oh no way, are we gonna come tap this rejection block? I stop actually there.
Stop filled.
Yeah, and out. Okay. I mean, bro, what can I say? This was another A+ trade, just like yesterday, in my opinion. I don't think there was much that I could have done any better. So, yeah, if I'm just gonna get SMT'd here, that would be fucking terrible. Nope, fully stopped out. I mean, what can I say? This looked as A+ to me as it could possibly be. Really, we had this stacked, 3 stacked PO3s, external SMT, internal SMT. We had this SMT as well. There's really nothing that could have been any better, in my opinion. We had low resistance, a bunch of low resistance to the upside, manipulation to the downside. This should be very much high resistance. We didn't even take out the first draw here. I really don't know what I could have done better. There was also really no justified break even here. So, yeah. Another good loss? I don't know, but this time there was definitely no break even here. Super unfortunate that I took this loss and then I was just tape reading this win, this win. I took the long, but went break even there. I mean, that's just so fried. Bro, holy shit. But I guess that's it for today. Frustrating day, for sure.